Welcome back to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. I have some really exciting news today. As you may know, last year, well actually a little more than a year ago, we held our first workshop on metacognitive prediction of AI behavior in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I'm happy to announce that we will have a second edition of this workshop. This time it will be part of the SIAM Data Mining Conference, otherwise known as SDM. And the main conference will go May 1st through 3rd in Alexandria, Virginia. And we don't have the precise date of the workshop, but SDM has accepted our workshop as part of this venue. So if you go to the website for the workshop, and it's linked in the description below, you will see that the topics are very much the same as it was in the first edition. But one key difference: in our first edition of the workshop, people only came by invitation only. And this year, we're actually doing a call for papers. But the papers that we're looking for, we are looking only for kind of short 2 to 4 page summaries of research. And the research that you submit in your 2 to 4 page paper, it can be something that maybe is recently accepted or submitted to another venue. The goal here isn't to have an event where we're presenting the most cutting edge research down to the hour and no one else has seen it before. It's more about building a community around metacognitive AI and sharing interesting ideas. And the reason we did this is last year when we had the event, no one was presenting anything brand new, but we had people come from disciplines like statistics and electrical engineering, in addition to the things like cognitive science and the traditional, AI or computer science focused AI. And even within computer science, you had people from different areas of the field who normally publish in different places. So this is really kind of about coming together at a single focal point of metacognition. Now, you do have to format the paper. It has to be rigorously done, and it will undergo a peer review process. We will also be inviting extended versions of selected papers for submission to a journal special issue or edited volume. We think it's more likely a journal special issue. Also, attendance has to be in person, and the submissions need to be in by February 7th, and we'll post the submission website in the coming days. But we have the format of the paper on here as well. So overall, really excited to be putting this together for you, and especially with my co-chair Nate Bastian and the other members of the organizing committee, my good friend and fellow YouTuber Jerry Samari, as well as Mario Levia. Just happy to hold this event and build the community around metacognition. Please stay tuned to the channel for more updates. We'll put posts on the YouTube channel as the submission website opens up, and as we announce things like the keynote speaker and all that. Also, a very special thanks to our friends at SSCI who are sponsoring the event. Thank you very much.